Hey everyone, welcome back to Ginatopia. Today on Find It Friday, we are going to discuss the Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair Oil Nutritive Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, these have replaced my Pantene shampoo and conditioner, and I'll tell you why. These are packed full of oils that are great for your hair. The first time I used it in the shower, I could definitely tell a difference in my hair. And these are made for longer hair prone to split ends. But if you have dry hair, these are an excellent product, and I will tell you why. Because they contain 8 beauty oils and keratin. And let me just name a few of the oils that these have in them. They have macadamia oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, fruit oil, safflower oil, rose fruit oil. That's just a few of the oils. And let me tell you, they are wonderful. It says that it claims that you'll have up to 90% fewer split ends with touchably soft and shiny hair. And I agree. Like I said, from the first time I used this shampoo and conditioner combination, I could definitely tell a difference. And these are made to use together, and I highly recommend them. Now, these sell for about $5 a piece. And I'm definitely sold on the Schwarzkopf. Now, you have heard me brag on the regular Schwarzkopf shampoo and conditioner before. And I ran into these at the dollar store, and I picked these up at the Dollar General store, and I picked these up, and I was so sold on them that I bought these from Mother, who has short hair, and she really loves them because no matter whether you have long or short hair, you are prone to split ends, and when you have split ends, it just breaks your hair off, and your hair is not going to grow because well, it grows, but it's going to break off and you're not going to see any growth. So your split ends definitely need to be trimmed regularly. But when you prevent your split ends, you know, it's just a win-win situation for your hair. So the oil definitely helps to mend the split ends. And I just really like it. It says that longer split ends constantly brushes against your shoulders and your back, leaving your tips weakened, and they break at this point. And a lot of times will sit in my office at lunch and will sit in the light and trim my split ends. Well, I have noticed that I definitely, the month that I have been using this, have seen less split ends. So I do recommend this product if you have long hair or are prone to split ends, whether your hair is long or short. I'm really sold on this shampoo and conditioner, and I hope that I can continue to find this, because I know a lot of times I'll be sold on a shampoo or conditioner and I can't find it anymore. So I am really liking this Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin Oil Nutritive Shampoo and Conditioner. And here's what it looks like. Loving this shampoo and conditioner. So you might want to check it out. This is my Friday find, and I highly recommend this. I give this a 10 out of 10 on the Ginatopia scale. And for the price being around $5, I think it is an excellent, excellent find. So check it out, Schwarzkopf. It is an excellent buy. So check it out.